Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut PC first version offline. So all you have to do is now open your file explorer. You can click file explorer. As you can see, I'm using Windows 11 right now. So this is the interface of Windows 11 operating system. And go to the a, drive C. You can click on drive C and then double click the users folder, and then click your users folder and try to search this app data. By default this folder is hidden by Windows, so you can open and hide this folder by tap view or click view button, click show hidden items. So this folder will refill, and then double click this app data, and then double click local folder. Try to search Capcut, this one, Capcut folder, double click again, and there is a folder, user data folder. You can double click and you can select all the files here, and then you can use this WinRAR to add to our archive here, or you can use any other a extractor or like 7-zip or other application that can make an archive. So after that, copy the folder, this user data folder, to another place, and after that you can use this CapCut a offline mode by a cut your connection, turn off your connection. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.